good?
I take photos, man. Oh, you're a dick, dude.
Seth, you're telling me that you genuinely would not wear these and play basketball in them? I think this is like the most amazing shoe ever.
I'd wear it to play basketball. You
don't like the... So we agree, for basketball, this is like one of the coolest looking shoes. Russell Westbrook, Jordan brand, seriously, this Why Not 0.3 has to be one of the coolest looking basketball shoes, especially the colorways where you have like a whole bunch of different colors on them and they just look crazy, like the All-Star ones. Just seriously, good job, amazing job. I mean, I don't like Russell Westbrook as a player, but his shoes, I don't know why Seth doesn't like them as much as me. Oh, look what we got here too. The Don C. KD12s releasing for All-Star Weekend. So the colorway of these is the Chicago flag. Chicago is a flag where it's white and this baby blue and red, and they have some stars up there to match the flag. This is a collaboration with Nike and Don C. and Kevin Durant. I play in the KD12s for my men's basketball league. Amazing shoe. These are like, I think this is my favorite color of these. Keeping on the All-Star theme, we also have the All-Star LeBron 7s. I'm sorry, there's like 17 LeBrons. It's hard to keep track. These are really cool. I remember back in the day I was just getting into sneakers. Like this was, oh wait, are these the LeBron 8s? Or no, these are the 7s.
They're just LeBrons. I don't know what number they are.
I'm gonna put money on them being the 7s.
It'll stay inside the shoe.
No, there's no sticker inside the shoe.
The 7s.
Okay, they're the 7s.
7s. Actually, no, those aren't.
No, these are the same model.
Oh shit, okay.
I swear we review sneakers for a living. Well, I mean, Seth does. I just sort of talk about them and mumble about drop things. Oop.
Was that a joke?
Pretty cool Nike store if you ask me. I guess that's the big flagship store for Chicago, and it's our last day in Chicago. Of course, the entire time we're here we have absolutely terrible weather, then as soon as it's time to leave it gets beautiful and wonderful. I'm wearing a giant North Face jacket because I assumed it would be cold. I really do not need it, and honestly it's a bit too hot. I'm gonna keep this very simple. Plans for today. What? Oh, there's a Nike Lab. That wasn't Nike Lab? There's a Nike Lab there? Cool. The Nike Lab is actually closed for a private event. So as I was saying, plans for today: pay absurd resale prices for the Nike Off-White Jordan 5s and pay absurd resale prices for the Yeezy Quantums. I mean, I'm looking forward to it. You guys are probably looking forward to it. Seth, is my bank account looking forward to it?
Absolutely. Yes. Level 1, it's right here.
Oh, no it's not. It doesn't say, unless it's in that store right there. That one?
Could be that one. Could be that one. Somewhere around here.
Is it still open?
It might. It should be.
We're in a very fancy mall with lots of brands I cannot afford to shop at. We're looking for a consignment store that reportedly has some of the shoes we're looking for.
Oh, no, it doesn't. I don't know.
Oh, it doesn't?
Sure. No, I just thought we'd stop at consignment.
Well, why are we going here
because
then?
Because they might have them. They might have.
You got my hopes up so much.
Yeah, dude, I'm sorry.
I was all excited and they might not even have them. Don't have them here. They do not have them here. Seth, I don't know why you got my hopes up and told me they had them here. Very nice people in the store, and I appreciate their help. They tried to help us find, I don't know, maybe some other stores where they might have them, but point being, is they do not have them there. I can't believe I'm gonna shell out like $2,000 today on 2 pairs of shoes. Here's the situation. We met up with our friends. They met the guys from Dior that were wearing Dior ones. Like the head of Dior, the guy that designed the shoes, just wearing them out and about. How many people were there wearing them?
The
Diors? Yeah.
3. It was Kim Jones himself, and it looks like 2 of his friends.
Cool. We've also acquired these wristbands that say sneakers on them. Now, we don't know what these do or where they get us into, but we're going to the Jordan store and we're just gonna pretend like we belong inside the store. And we're gonna walk in and hopefully this means I can get a pair of Off-White 5s or something. See, the benefit with this plan is that you look like a celebrity because you have this crazy coat on, you have your sunglasses on, and you look like our security. Mm-hmm. So this is the line here, and it keeps going and going and going. Good job. You, my friend, are an absolute legend. The Jordan brand stylist that we have here got us into the store. They gave us a whole tour. A manager stopped what he was doing to give us a tour, and then they had absolutely nothing available for sale. So the moral of that story is do that earlier in the morning if you're gonna do it, but just act like you're supposed to be somewhere, and they'll let you in. I've said it once and I will say it again, you guys that watch the videos are absolutely the best people on earth. Seth put out a call on Twitter or Instagram? Both. They said that they have a pair of Yeezy Quantums that they are willing to sell, so we are going to meet him in Wicker Park. I don't know, it's like this really cool trendy area of Chicago, and we're meeting him here.
I can't quantify my excitement.
That's not the right word. I mean, it sounds similar to quantum, but quantum and quantify...
Same thing. Same thing. Quantum Leap to get the shoes. Quantum of Solace, my favorite. That's not a good movie, actually. I didn't like it that much. It wasn't a bad movie.
Look at that. They have a big Yeezy Quantum on the February 16th, adidas.com/Yeezy. We're meeting the guy just outside of Adidas.
Howdy.
Yo.
What's up, man?
Beautiful.
How's it going, man?
Hey, Tom, how's the team?
Thank you, man. Yo, let me Venmo you. What's your info?
I can't believe you bought that big ass silver helmet. That you actually wear that thing around. Like right in no time, look at it.
Yeah, we're like,
That's fucking
Pretty damn
sick.
cool.
the guy in the store there said they were the most comfortable Yeezy.
You got him?
I got him.
You got him?
I got him.
You
Thank
got
God,
him?
dude. Just freaking out. I was worried.
Nice.
It came through, man.
This is absolutely amazing. Shout out to the guys that sold it to Seth. They were
you so
very, very
much.
nice, and they
Super
made
nice.
fun of my silver helmet,
They did.
which
Well,
sort of
silver
hurt me
helmets,
right in the feels.
You look like a You look like a Silver Surfer.
I look like MF Doom.
Oh,
MF Doom
that's-
is a hardcore, lyrical, talented artist. Make fun of MF Doom.
MF whom?
These are so stupidly insane. I mean, okay, I want to preface this. This is not the first time I've seen these. When I was in Manila in October, I was able to take a look at them. I think I can say now that they're actually like out and about, and it's not a secret as to who has the pair. Those are sourced directly from one of Kanye's security team members, and my friend was able to buy them, not directly through him, but through a middleman. They're from Kanye's bodyguard or security team member, and that is how I got my hands on a pair in October. And I mean, pretty much the exact same. That was a sample pair. The only thing I will say about that is that the silver here was just like not as shiny. That is the only remark I will make. Everything, and that's from seeing them 4 months ago. I could be wrong. Just in my memory, I don't think that was quite as shiny. Everything else is looking exactly the same. I was able to try them on my feet. They were small. It was a size 11. I was squeezing my feet in them. But Seth, I have good news for you. I don't know if you're keeping these or not. I don't even know if you're, oh, they are your size. So these are probably the most comfortable Yeezy that I've ever worn in my life. I would go true to size on them. If you have like tall feet, if you have like large toes or toes that like curl up, I don't know if some people have toes like that. I don't want to judge your feet. Don't get true to size. Get half a size up, because the toe box is like so narrow. Like look how flat that is right there. You do not want to get true to size if you have like tall feet. That sounds so weird, tall feet. That's not the proper term. What do you call it? Vertically challenged feet? So, wow, I guess it is a full boost midsole all the way under this translucent rubber right here. You have the herringbone, except it's not like regular herringbone traction, it's wavy herringbone traction, and the boost cutout right there. How much of this is 3M? Wow, it's like a neoprene sock liner. There's not a lot of padding in here. So this is, do you know the difference between the lifestyle and the basketball one? I don't know the difference between the lifestyle one. I don't know the difference between the basketball one. This is apparently the lifestyle. What are you guys honking at? I'm trying to film a YouTube video here. That is pretty much all I have to say about these. What do you guys think of these? Let me know what you think of these. Seth, if you had to sum these up in 7 words, what would you say? Exactly 7 words. You can't cheat.
I kind of like them. Sort of.
What's up, guys?
We're in round 2 to see if they have the off-white 5s, and I'm seeing down there in their little heat shelf that they have the off-white 5s. Now all I need to figure out, oh, they also have the Quantums here. All I need to figure out is what size they are and how much they are asking for them. But if it's not like too ridiculous, then maybe I'll get them. What size and how much for the 5s?
Those are a size 7. So
Oh, okay.
yes, sir. Small size only.
Okay, those are a size 7, and as much as I don't really care what size I buy, I would still like to buy a men's size. So we're not buying a size, that sucks. No holds while on foot.
How you guys doing?
Good, how about you? Do you guys have the?
Just watched the YouTube video.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You guys don't have the Off-White 5s by chance, do you?
He's on the hunt.
You need him to buy?
Yeah.
What size are you looking for?
Any size. Oh my goodness, here we have them. So these aren't for sale, but they have them sitting at Diplomatic, sorry. And these are, oh my goodness, these are very, very, very nice. They look like fake. They look so nice that like it looks like a painting. I don't mean they look like fake shoes, but it looks like a painting. It looks like, these are amazing. Just the materials and the panels and the colorway. Have you guys seen the white ones that Virgil is apparently dropping who knows when, that he just teased yesterday morning? These are so cool, but now I just need to find a pair that I can actually buy. What, after you, dude?
Slide it. Awesome.
After you, dude, I got you.
Hi, how you doing? Good for Steph?
That was pretty successful, I'd say. You got your Yeezys, and now we need to head back to the hotel, grab our luggage, and unfortunately head back to New York. Well, I mean, I guess you're going to Philly because you can't make proper life decisions, but I'm just kidding. Philly's a beautiful city. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Guys, Chicago's been amazing. You guys have been amazing. All the people that have stopped us and said they like our videos and said they hate our videos and just said they knew who we are. It's always mind-blowing for that stuff to happen, and in awesome cities like this, on awesome weekends like this. What's up?
I was just gonna say bye to everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Are you not ending the vlog yet?
I mean, I could.
Oh, okay.
I mean, this is honestly probably, it would be a fitting ending.
Bye then. It's good seeing you guys.